everyone to the session. Before we start, I would like you to introduce to Get Setup. We are educators and a training organization. We do not sell anything or receive kickbacks from any product or service. This session has been recorded, so if you want the recorded link of this session, you can write an email to us on help@getsetup.io. You'll receive an email right after the session to share the feedback only if you are a registered participant. Chat is available below, so if you have any kind of queries or any questions to ask about this session or about Get Setup, you can kindly do that. Please mute your mic when you're not speaking to avoid disturbance. Get Setup is a platform for the seniors and by the seniors. Our mission is to create economic opportunity for older adults and help them to learn tools and skills needed to stay connected and live healthy lives. We have classes across technology, health and fitness, mental wellness, singing, dancing, social hours, guest speakers, medical lectures, and much more. You'll get all this variety of classes on our website, that is www.getsetup.in. We have WhatsApp and Facebook groups too. So for the new people who have joined this session, you can kindly join our WhatsApp and Facebook groups. I uploaded a couple of links in the chat box. You can, if you know others in an organization or friends or family who might benefit from these classes, please spread the word. Please let us know if you have any kind of new ideas or suggestions for the classes. We have live sessions on the weekdays and recorded sessions on the weekends. So if you miss any of our live session, you can kindly go through our recorded session. This is the feedback form you'll receive after the session only if you register from our website. You can rate our session and rate our guide and mark the stars accordingly to your convenience. You can add any kind of comments if you wish to and tell us how we can improve or add any kind of suggestions so that we can inculcate on them. Thank you. Over to you, Jyoti ma'am.
Yes. So,
Jyoti ma'am, over to you.
Yes. Hi, everybody. Good afternoon. I hope you all have had your lunch. You're healthy, happy, and we are going to spend this 1 hour together. We normally begin our class with a little prayer. So I'm going to start the prayer. Gurur Brahma, Gurur Vishnu, Gurur Devo Maheshwara, Guru Sakshat Parabrahma, Tasmai Shri Guruve Namaha. Om Shanti, 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 Hari Om. The first Shanti means it is just someone's connotation about this prayer. The first Shanti should click to you as ke who am I? Main kaun hu? The second Shanti, whom do I belong to? Main kiska hu? And the third Shanti, because this has to get you thinking, कि where do I need to go from here? यहाँ से मुझे कहाँ जाना है? Where do I need to go from here? Right? So today let's begin our class. As usual, we have certain rules. Question answers we can take in the last 10 minutes. I wish all of you all can keep your pens and papers ready. And thoda sa pani. Always keep a bottle of water. All right, so that is very important because हम brain के exercises वगैरह सिखाते हैं, बहुत कुछ सिखाते हैं, तो बीच-बीच में you have to have sips of water. All right. Now, I will of course talk to you about water because मैंने last time का lecture खत्म नहीं किया था, but I want to tell you it with what system I'm going. So there are 4 neurological exercises which will make you positive, exercise which will make you active, exercise which will give you clarity of mind, and exercise which will give you energy. So we call these the PACE exercises. It is called, P-A-C-E. Okay. So it is P-A-C and E. PACE. PACE means positive, active, clarity of mind, and energy. Today, we are going to start with the last part called energy. Because if I start you with P, it is a little complicated exercise. So let me go backwards. PACE का E से चालू कर रही हूँ. E means energy, and energy you get with water. इसीलिए मैंने last time का class water से शुरू किया था. Okay, so what does water do to your body? From today, your whole understanding of water will change. And why? It's the utmost important thing in your life for the prevention of diseases, especially those to do with the brain. In the olden days, whenever there were fights or discomfort at home, what would the old family members do? If a person would get angry and shout, what would the other older members do? They would immediately get up and get you a glass of water. Now, उस जमाने में ऐसे ही था कि चलो वो लोग पानी दे रहे हैं. Actually, it has got an entire scientific meaning. So by giving you what, because जब हम गुस्सा होते हैं हमारा थ्रोट कॉन्स्ट्रिक्ट हो जाता है, स्टमक कॉन्स्ट्रिक्ट हो जाता है, आंख डायलेट हो जाते हैं, जॉ हमारा टाइट हो जाता है. बहुत सारी फिजिकल चेंजेस होते हैं गुस्से में, एंगर में, स्ट्रेस में. लेकिन उसको ठीक करने के लिए वो एक ग्लास पानी से इमीडिएटली इफेक्ट कम हो जाता है. Friends, water is the best electrical connectivity to the body and brain to cope with stress and anger. Okay, so during stress and anger, we deplete energy and therefore we lose water. Water helps to convert food into energy. So पानी है ना, फूड को एनर्जी बनाता है और गुस्से में एनर्जी ही खत्म होती है, इसीलिए हमको पानी दिया जाता है. Okay, energy is what we lose with stress and anger, and therefore to immediately rectify it, water is given. Okay, I'm explaining you the reason why in the olden days people would give you water. Very important, water has memory. It was discovered by Dr. Emoto Masaru. आप Google भी कर सकते हो. He stated that human consciousness, our moods, our feelings, the words that we speak, have an effect on the molecular structure of water. ये पानी का जो molecular structure है, उसमें इफेक्ट होता है. किससे होता है? हमारे मूड से, हमारे स्पीच से, हमारे थॉट से, सब चीज से पानी का मॉलिक्यूलर स्ट्रक्चर बदली होता है. मतलब पानी बदली हो जाता है, पानी को मेमोरी है. Alright, so when we do anything with love, when we do or when we talk to water, we are charging it. Okay, and when we charge it with love, with a smile, with gratitude, with with so many positive things, the water becomes a beautiful molecule and it will affect you beautifully. Always say I love you to water and thank you before you drinking it. So जभी भी आज आप पानी पियो, आप पानी को बोलना I love you and thank you for benefiting me. I love you, thank you for benefiting me. Okay, because the vibrational frequency generated from our voice box interacts with the molecular structure of water and leaves a profoundly positive impression. This results in the water being in a heightened state. See, क्या होता है, आप पानी ऐसे सादा पियो तो भी आपको अच्छा लगेगा, लेकिन आप उसको चार्ज करके पियो तब क्या होता है? Water is in a heightened state. जैसे आपको कोई बोले आप बहुत सुंदर लगते हो, तो आप कैसे, आप एकदम चमक जाते हो, आप you start shining and you get happy and you love compliments, you love gifts. तो पानी को भी जब आप बोलते हो I love you, तो पानी की स्टेट हाइटेंड हो जाती है, उसका हाइड्रेशन स्ट्रांग होता है और वो हमारे कॉन्शियसनेस को रेज कर देता है. वो हमारा जो भी काम पानी करता है वो अच्छे से करता है. ऐसे तो करेगा, जैसे आप विटामिन पिल लोगे तो आपको अच्छा ही लगेगा, आप अच्छा खाना खाओगे आपको अच्छा ही लगेगा, लेकिन आप उसी चीज को सूदिंग इफेक्ट से, उसको पंपाल के, उसको थोड़ा अच्छे शब्द बोल के. Yes, Meenakshi, my Bindi is missing. The name of the author, ma'am, it is Emoto Masaru, Emoto Masaru. Okay, Emoto. I'll just type it in the message. Dr. Emoto Masaru. 1 minute. Huh? Emoto Masaru. Okay, Dr. Emoto Masaru. Only it's in capitals, but I'm just sending it to you. Okay.
Madam, how to charge the water?
Yeah. You listen to the rest of my lecture. Okay. I'm telling you. So, friends, how to get the water, how to charge the water is you can hold it. You can even write, I love you in the bottle. You can even charge it with whatever is missing in your house. Suppose आपको abundance चाहिए, suppose आपके relationship problem है, suppose आपको पैसा चाहिए, finance problem है, जो भी आपको आपके घर पे चाहिए, तो you have to either hold it, you have to look in the water. जैसे हमारे घर में पानी का जग है, मटका है, फिल्टर है, तो every morning हमारा एक छोटा सा मशीन है, मैं आपको बताती हूँ, ये वाला. So you get these little mantra machines, you know. ये साईं बाबा का है, लेकिन इसमें सारे दुनिया भर के मंत्र हैं. गायत्री मंत्र, ओम, गणपति जी, सारी चीजों के मंत्र है. ये खाली ऐसे प्लग से आता है. प्लग ऑन कर दो, जो भी सोर्स ऑफ वाटर है, ओम चालू कर दो, जो आपके घर में रूल है. You know, whatever your this thing is, you can do this, or you can just chant the mantra on your own, or you can hold it and just say, I love you. You are giving peace and health benefits to the family. All those who drink this water are going to be financially very rich. We are having a beautiful relationship. And please, that is how you charge your water. You just have to look in the water and say it, or let the water hear the mantra. You can even just say Om or Gayatri mantra, you know, is the most powerful mantra. Okay? So whatever is missing in the house, you can charge your water with that by looking into it, by saying it. Some people like to put their finger in it, but I just prefer कि आप बाहर से पकड़ के उसको देखो, बस. या उसको सुनने दो, उसको आधा घंटा मंत्र सुनने दो. So whatever you like to introduce in your home, like abundance, peace, calmness, lots of money, good health, please charge your water and give it to the rest of the family. Within weeks, you will see the result. 3 weeks में आप देखोगे आपका घर में सब कुछ बदली हो जाएगा. All right. Now, in the olden days, they would chant the mantras while cooking to give good sanskar to the family. As you know, human beings are 70% water. So the world is also 70% water. So what is in the macro is in the micro. जो यूनिवर्स में है वो ही आपके शरीर में है. तो 70% of the earth is water. You are also 70% water. तो आप जब बाहर का पानी को चार्ज करोगे, आपका शरीर का पानी भी चार्ज होगा. आपके खाने में भी जो पानी है वो भी चार्ज हो जाएगा. That is why kitchen is the best place to switch on the mantra. All right. One good mantra to say in front is, of course, Om or the Gayatri mantra. Everybody knows, no, Gayatri mantra, Om Bhur Bhuva Swaha, but you have to say it nicely. Oh, yes, okay. Of course, you can just say, I love you and thank you. If you don't want to do this mantra ka thing, just tell the water, I love you, thank you. Help us give you a good benefits in whatever you think is missing. Give the charge to the water. Leave your charge to the water. A special information about water. 750 grams of water gets evaporated through exhalation through the nose. Every day when you are exhaling, inhaling, exhaling, inhaling, exhalation में 750 grams of water gets evaporated. 1.5 liters gets absorbed in the clothes because of perspiration, and 1 to 2 liters during urination. So automatically your body, whether you drink water or not, it will suck out from the different parts of the body and it will get consumed. So water will go through the exhalation, through food, through perspiration, through urination. तो आप पानी पियोगे कि नहीं पियोगे, आपका पानी शरीर खींच लेगा. तब आपको क्या होगा, अगर आपके ब्लड से खींचा तो ब्लड थिक हुआ तो हार्ट प्रॉब्लम. अगर आपके इंटेस्टाइन से खींचा, इंटेस्टाइन सो कॉन्स्टिपेशन, इंटेस्टाइन ड्राई हो जाते हैं. अगर आपके ब्रेन से खींचा तो ब्रेन का भी आपको ब्रेन के प्रॉब्लम्स हो जाएंगे. That is why I'm saying from today, the understanding of water will make a huge difference to you. Okay. Then let us see, अब हेयर फॉल भी होएगा, स्किन नेल्स भी ब्रिटल हो जाएंगे. मतलब वाटर का तो बहुत जास्ती इंपॉर्टेंस है हमारे शरीर में, और एक्सेस वाटर भी नहीं लेना चाहिए. हाउ डू यू नो कि आपने बराबर पानी पिया है? आपने बराबर पानी पिया है जब भी आप फर्स्ट टाइम सुबह पानी, व्हेन यू गो टू द फॉर अ यूरिनेशन इन द मॉर्निंग, उसके 1.5 से 2 घंटे में आपको सेकंड यूरिनेशन होना चाहिए. फिर सपोज आप 6 बजे गए तो 7:30 और 8 के बीच में सेकंड यूरिनेशन. 8 बजे गए तो 9 बजे 8 9 10 बजे तक थर्ड यूरिनेशन. ऐसे आपका यूरिनेशन 1.5 to 2 आवर्स में नहीं हुआ तो बैठ के धीरे धीरे सिप बाय सिप पानी पियो. As I had said last time, पानी को खाना चाहिए और खाने को पीना चाहिए. You should drink water sip by sip, and food you should chabaw till it becomes liquid. Water regulates our body temperature. It carries nutrients and oxygen to different parts of the body. So if you do not have enough water, nutrients will not reach the different parts of the body. Water moistens the breath for pranayam. आप breathing करते हो या आप breathing exercise करते हो, उसके लिए भी पानी चाहिए, क्योंकि breath नहीं तो dry हो जाएगी. You know, dry eye syndrome होते हैं. Dry eyes, people who read too much, who don't have water, suddenly their eyes will become dry. फिर डॉक्टर वो सब eye drops देते हैं, gentle and so many things to keep your eyes moist. अरे यार पानी पियो, 1.5 घंटे में यूरिन जाओ, and it is such a simple thing, you know. So water helps to convert food into energy. Water protects the vital organs of the body. Okay. Water helps you to absorb nutrients. Water makes up 75% of muscle. It accounts for 22% of bone. 22% of bone. It makes up 83% of blood. The brain composes 75% water. Water removes all kinds of waste from the body, okay, through different means. So now you understand how important is water to our bodies. How do you manage and make a habit of drinking water? So I'm going to give you a couple of tips. Remember, friends, it's not healthy to gulp down 2 liters of water in the morning. It is not healthy. The body is not able to take it. For those who have heard Dr. Anand Gokani's lectures, he had spoken earlier about water, where he says, अगर आप 200 ml water फट 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 पी जाओ और आपका यूरिन चेक करो, वो ही 200 ml निकलेगा. Understand? अगर आप, if you measure your urine, actually water is supposed to get absorbed in hundreds of things. But if you've had 200 and if you measured that same 200 is come out, means it is not doing its work. So you cannot just sit down and have 3 liters of water. It will actually further damage you. It will damage a lot of your parts. You are supposed to sit down and have water sip by sip. Okay? All right. Now, so that way, that I've already told you, pani ko khao and khane ko piyo. And that you are supposed to urinate 1.5 to 2 hours. Otherwise, you will get dehydrated. So do not wait till you get thirsty. Do not wait कि आपका जीभ सूख गया, आपका गला सूख गया. उससे पहले ही आपको पानी पीना है. The second way for people who stay at home is to keep 2 liters of water. आपके लिए खास 2 लीटर पानी रखो. And see at the end of the day आपने कितना पिया है. Okay, आपको पीना है, मैंने आपको तरीका बता दिया. I've shown you the way. But for you to know in the night कि आज के दिन में मैंने कितना पिया है, तो आपके लिए खास 2 लीटर पानी अलग से रखो. चाहे तो चांदी के लोटे में रखो, कॉपर में. Copper, you must not have too much of copper water. It doesn't let you absorb zinc, and zinc is very necessary in these COVID days for you. So have copper water, खाली रात को डाल के सुबह एक ही बार sip by sip पियो, आधा ही glass पियो. Don't keep having too much of copper water. Your skin will also change its color, and it inhibits the absorption of zinc. Okay. So, so this way, if you keep a designated glass of bottles, 2 liters of water, you know how much you've had in the day. All right. So friends, this is all about water. I will also add कि पानी shape, size और color पकड़ लेता है. वैसे ही हमारे mind को पानी जैसा बनाना. Make yourself resilient like water. It takes any shape. It takes any color. It seeps anywhere. It is well received. Become like water. All right. So that way, this is important thing about water. Let us do 15 inhalation and exhalation from the mouth like a pressure cooker. I have already taught you one breath, which is 15 breaths from the nose, inhalation and mouth, and from the nose only exhalation. Today we are going to do the second type of breath, which is inhalation from the nose, exhalation from the mouth like a pressure cooker. So it's going to go like this. Like this, and I will give you the count. Is everyone ready? Because this is the second most important breath. As I'm teaching you, I will be teaching you many things which are important for the brain and body. All right. So whenever you breathe in, your stomach has to come out. When you breathe out,
Which
your
is the
stomach has to.
the first one also?
The first
Please.
one is just 15 inhale and from the nose and exhale from the nose like this. 1, 2, 3. Like that, you have to count it, because up to 12 counts, your oxygen level does not go up. When you do 13, 14, 15, your oxygen level will come up. Remember, friends, this is tried and tested. You can use your oximeter in your middle finger and check it yourself. If your oxygen is 95, it will go to 97. If it's 97, it will go to 99. Okay, so this is very important. We have already finished that. That is inhalation, exhalation from nose. Today we are going to do inhalation from nose, exhalation from mouth, like a pressure cooker. Then I will tell you why you have to do this. Okay, so are we ready? Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. 2, breathe in, breathe out. 3, breathe in, breathe out. 4, breathe in, breathe out. 5, breathe in, breathe out. 6, breathe in, breathe out. 7, breathe in, breathe out. 8, breathe in, breathe out. 9, breathe in, breathe out. 10, breathe in, breathe out. 11, breathe in, breathe out. 12, breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. Last, breathe in, breathe out. 15. Okay. Now, this is a very, very important breath. Everybody tells you कि आपको ऑक्सीजन 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 लेना है. अगर मैं आपको बोलूं कि close your nose and keep breathing in, breathing in, breathing in, can you do it? No. You have to breathe out also. Breathing out is taking out carbon dioxide forcefully. When we are doing shh, we are forcefully taking out carbon dioxide, which is stuck in different parts of your cell. आपके हर सेल के बीच में there is space which stores air or water. That will make your body swell. With this exercise, you will not only lose weight, you will lose your tummy fat, you will lose toxins from your body, you will not get, people who keep getting allergy attacks, that will reduce. जो पुराना बॉडी में स्टोर्ड टॉक्सिन्स हैं वो कम हो जाएंगे. Okay, this breath has to be done in the evening, not in the morning. Morning you have to do the 15 breath. So morning you increase the oxygen of your body, and evening you remove the stale carbon dioxide, toxins, extra air and water which is stored between cells by this breath. This has to be done, Lataji, it has to be done in the evening, not in the morning. But you have to do it to the count, as I told you. If you do not do to the count, it cancels the effect. It will not work for you. So whatever I
Ma'am,
tell you,
एक बार फिर से बता दीजिए प्लीज. मैंने अभी भी ज्वाइन किया. I'm finding it interesting. प्लीज थोड़ा सा इसका ब्रीथ आउट करने का जो तरीका आप बता रहे हैं.
ठीक है.
Sorry.
So you have to breathe in from the nose. आप कोई भी प्राणायाम करोगे ना, forcefully breath बहुत नहीं निकलती है. वो भस्त्रिका में निकलती है, लेकिन it doesn't come with that much force that it comes in this breath. So ये जो है हमारा breath forcefully निकालने का तरीका आप देखो. Breathe in from the nose. Breathe out from the mouth like a pressure cooker. जैसे आप बच्चे को श्श बोलते हो. जैसे घर में कुकर बजता है, घर की कुकर की सीटी बजती है, वैसे आपको मुंह से वो सीटी बजानी है. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. Okay? And you have to breathe out your full air. खाली इतना ही नहीं. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. ये भस्त्रिका हो गया. भस्त्रिका हमको भस्त्रिका नहीं करनी है. हमको जोर से अपने शरीर में पुराना बहुत जमा हुआ एयर, कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड, टॉक्सिन्स फंसा हुआ है. ये आप 21 दिन करोगे, आपकी पुरानी चीजें सब निकलेंगी. And then you will not get, you will not get those allergy attacks. You will not get fodka in the skin. And this is the best way to lose weight and the best way to, जैसे आपके हवा शरीर में हवा पानी निकलेगा, automatically you will lose weight. It is just normal sense. Okay? ठीक है? So I hope everybody's understood why this breath, when it has to be done, why it has to be done, why it's good for everybody. People who've got diabetes and other comorbidities, blood pressure, diabetes, आप please doctor से पूछ के करना. All right, this is a just disclaimer. These are whatever I teach is a preventive from diseases. आप मेरे को follow करो. आपको short while में lot of your diseases will go, because everything is to do with the mind. And I am teaching you brain gym and more. In the more, so I would like to break up the mind and brain into 3 parts. One is the physical brain, which is muscle, which is bone, which is flesh, which is nerves, all that physical. The time for this exercise is between 5 and 7 in the evening. So if you've had your tea at 4 o'clock, then keep 1 hour. Then you can do it between 5 and 7 in the evening when you are relatively in an empty stomach. Okay? So brain को मैं 3 हिस्से में breakup करती हूँ. एक physical brain है, जिसके लिए मैं ये सब exercises वगैरह सिखाती हूँ. एक है अपना mind, जो subconscious mind और conscious mind है. Subconscious 90% है, conscious 10% है. उसके बारे में भी एक पूरा lecture बताऊंगी मैं. How you can differentiate, how you can activate, what is good for you, how you can manifest your dreams. And the third brain, which is the most important, Should we forcefully exhale? Yes, you have to forcefully exhale from your mouth like a pressure cooker. Shh, like this. Okay, Mohana. Okay. And the third part of the brain is the vital energy, the prana shakti, the ki, the ka, the chi energy. Japan, China, दुनिया भर में लोग अलग अलग नाम से उसको जानते हैं. वो vital shakti है. This is the third part of the brain, which also I cover. So I cover the physical, the mental, and the vital. Okay. Today, just now, we are yet doing the physical part of the brain. All right. So I hope you all have understood that. Maximum count is 15. Smita ji. 15. Don't do more than 15. चक्कर आ जाएंगे. और 15 से आपको जितना शरीर में goodness चाहिए था, वो आपको मिल गया है. Please keep having sips of water. Yes, please consult the doctor. People who have got comorbidities like diabetes, especially blood pressure, because ऐसे तो कुछ होगा नहीं. They may tell you कि do it a little gently. They may tell you do not hold your breath. Okay? तो इसमें कहीं पे breath holding का है ही नहीं. As I go forward, I will be teaching you the pulse breathing. I will be teaching you four square breathing. I will be teaching you so many different types of breath which are good for the brain. Can COVID patients do it? Yes, if their chest allows them, if their because breathing se kya hai, you know, there is so much breathing. There is upper chest breathing, there is diaphragmic breathing, there is lower lung breathing. Breathing bhi bahut sari cheezon mein hai. So if the COVID patient can breathe, let him breathe, because there's nothing better than breathing to remove it. वो बहुत सारी breath है जो एक बार आप कोविड पेशेंट हो गए, you have to actually listen to the doctor. But yet, because we do not want with him breathing inside strongly, the bacteria going deeper into his body. So I would really say COVID patients do not attempt all this. When you have become okay, then to strengthen your lungs, we can do this. All right? Okay, forcefully exhale. Okay. Diabetes, yes. Good afternoon, Renuka. Thank you. All right. Thank you. Yes. Okay. So everybody has got this. Now we have got about 20-25 minutes more. So I'm going to teach you a Soham meditation for 2 minutes. And then we are going to do some lovely finger movements today. Okay. 2 minutes Soham meditation. Relax. I will not ask you to make your head up and down, because that you all have already done. You all can do it at home. We will just do plain Soham meditation. All right. So close your eyes, sit in a relaxed fashion, spine thoda sa seedha, feet down. जब भी आप meditation करो, you should stick your tongue to the roof of your mouth to activate multiple intelligence. Whenever you are doing meditation, stick your tongue to the roof of your mouth to activate multiple intelligence. Okay? So close your eyes, just regular breathing. When you're in your mind, when you're breathing in, say so. When you're breathing out, say hum. In your mind, don't have to say it loudly. Do not have to move your head. We have already finished that. Okay? We are just going to sit and I will start the time, right? So close your eyes. Keep your palms facing upwards on your thighs and start. Breathe in and say so in your mind. Breathe out and say hum in your mind. So hum. I am saying it loudly, you all don't. So hum. So hum. Try to concentrate between your eyebrows. Try to keep a smile on your face. मैं वो हूँ. I am that. So hum. So hum. I am that. मैं वो हूँ. Those wearing spectacles can slowly put their specs down. Do not open your eyes. Rub your palms and make them hot. Cup your eyes. Feel the warmth. And put your hands down. Gently open the eyes when you're ready.
Ma'am, throughout the whole process, the tongue
Yes.
remains on the palate.
Yes, yes, yes. That is why it's for 2 minutes. And this will, aapki orja badhegi. You know, your aura improves with this. So when you do this every day, even for 2 minutes, you will see you improving yourself, your face, your smile, the tej on your forehead. Very slowly, this is a lot to do with the tongue touching the roof, which is tapping your multiple intelligence. Okay?
Ma'am, but I tried. I mean, that time I forgot saying so and and now
That's
I again tried it, but it comes down when we say so or
But you have to not say it. You have to just keep it in your
Yeah.
mind. That's what. So आपको
अच्छा,
physically
I-
नहीं बोलना है.
No,
आपको
but inside.
बोलो.
Okay. No, ma'am, can't.
Okay, you are not supposed to say it with your tongue. You are supposed to keep your
I
tongue
know,
up.
but even within our mind, when I say without making a noise, I can't. I think with practice, I might be.
Yes, yes.
Thank you.
Don't worry. Don't worry. So you have to not say it at all with your tongue. No movement of tongue. Tongue is only on the roof of the mouth. खाली mind में, जैसे मैंने आँख बंद कर लिया, this will improve your visualization skills. This is I am making you ready for bigger classes. These are just stepping stones. This will help you do positive affirmations, visualizations. There is so much to learn, but this is a stepping stone. Okay, so as you are saying, you are not able to do it because आपको ये मन में रखना है. मैं मन में अभी बोल रही हूँ सोहम सोहम, मन में बोल रही हूँ, आंख बंद है, जीभ ऊपर है, like this. मेरी तो आदत है, my जीभ is 24/7 on my roof of the mouth. I have got a habit except when I'm talking and when I'm eating. Okay? You all have to yes. Yes, जीभ को ऊपर रखो मोहाना जी. जभी भी आप conscious हो जाओ. Try. All right? Okay.
Ma'am, do you have a class every day at 2 o'clock?
Okay.
No, my
What is it?
classes are on Fridays at 2 o'clock. Next
Thank you,
month,
ma'am.
Madam,
Good luck
next,
to you.
मैडम उससे क्या
Ma'am?
होता है if we are keeping the tongue? What
हाँ,
happens
tongue
if we
twist
keep
क्या होता है?
consciously?
Okay, when we keep the tongue on the roof of the mouth, we are tapping multiple intelligence. Okay? Okay. All right. Now, friends, I hope you all are feeling fresh with the breath, with the meditation, with all of that. Let us do some finger activities. This is to balance the left and the right side of the brain. The left side of the brain takes care of the right side of the body, and the right side of the brain takes care of the left side of the body. I'm going to start with a very simple exercise, and then we will go to complicated ones. Can you make an S out of your hands? So you make a C, first C and ulta C and join it. So एक thumb होएगा, एक finger होएगा. Thank you, Rajeshri. Don't miss my classes. Keep coming. You'll enjoy and learn a lot. Okay? I've been a teacher for 40 years and I'm teaching brain health awareness
Lovely, ma'am.
globally
Lovely. Lovely.
since 10 years. Thank you so much. So let's do this. Has everybody done it? Now the finger, एक अंगूठा पीछे लो और इसको attach करो. Then this becomes the pivot. इसको छोड़ दो. Like this. Like this, like this, like this. When we were children, we could do this so easily. They taught us, Incy Wincy Spider climbing up the wall. Down came the rain and washed the spider out. Up came the sunshine, dried up all the rain. And Incy Wincy Spider is climbing up again.
Ma'am, so
I hope that-
slowly.
हाँ,
Ma'am, so
See.
slowly.
फर्स्ट डू द सी. एक सी करो आपके हाथ से, दूसरा हाथ से उल्टा सी. ओके, देन अटैच इट. देन थंब को ऊपर लाओ और अटैच द फिंगर. लीव दिस. फिर एक फिंगर ऊपर पीछे से जाएगा, एक आगे से. अटैच करो, फिर अटैच करो. एक फिंगर आगे से, एक फिंगर पीछे से. One thing becomes a pivot. This is becoming a pivot, then leave the next pivot. This is becoming the pivot, leave the नीचे का pivot. एक finger आगे से पीछे, एक finger पीछे से आगे. Like this. Okay? Very good. I'm seeing a lot of you can do it. Lovely. Okay. Now, what these things do is they help you to balance the brain. They help you to left and right का balance होना जरूरी है. I have already taught you the brain dominance. So if you are very much left brain dominant, then your right brain starts getting balanced by these exercises. If you're right brain dominant, then the left brain gets balanced. Okay? So this is for helping you to take decisions in life. You know, as we grow older, the gray cells begin to dry, they begin to die, the synapses begin to break. So इससे क्या होता है? Synapses जुड़ने लगते हैं, नए ब्रेन के न्यूरॉन्स ज्वाइन होते हैं. ओके, सो ये एक्सरसाइज हो गया. अभी दूसरा मैं आपको बताती हूँ. ओके, आई एम ट्राइंग टू टीच यू सिंपल वंस. Okay, let me see. Can you do this? Fist को अपने पास रखो ऐसे. एक जगह से अंगूठा बाहर निकालो और दूसरे हाथ की छोटी उंगली in a straight line like this. Okay, fist को अपने तरफ रखो. एक fist का अंगूठा निकालो और दूसरे fist का छोटी उंगली निकालो and keep it in a straight line like this. Has everybody done this position? Then दूसरे हाथ की fist और ये हाथ की छोटी उंगली straight line. फिर ऐसे. I'll try and go far. Yes. ऐसे, ऐसे, ऐसे. मुझे थोड़ी आदत है, but you people try to do this at home. Can you all see my finger? Yes. Okay. So you have to, this week, please try and do these 2 finger exercises. Okay, fist has to face you. Do not make the fist go like this, like this. Kali fist has to bend and straight, bend and straight, bend and straight. So जब आप अंगूठा बाहर निकालते हो, दूसरी हाथ की fist ऐसे से ऐसे हो जाती है, because this has to be in a straight line. फिर आप ये अंगूठा निकालते हो, तो ये वाली fist in a straight line. It
एक छोटी
activates.
उंगली को निकालते हैं तो दूसरी भी आ जाती है साथ।
हाँ नहीं नहीं कोई नहीं वो मेरे भी आती थी जब जब मैं शुरू में करती थी, it would happen to me. Now I've got the, because I'm teaching for so long, अभी मुझे आदत पड़ती है, वो कंप्यूटर पे ना मुझे उल्टा दिख रहा है. So it is better you look at your own hand and concentrate. So I'm looking at my hand, then I'm able to do it. When I'm looking at the computer screen, I'm not able to do it. So look at your hand and do it, okay? So I can do it so properly. Okay, it activates the brain. It, you know, आपका टेंशन ही दूर होता है. आपके माइंड में इतने वरीज होते हैं ना, वो सब निकल जाता है. ठीक है? Okay.
Madam, the closed fist should face us. The closed fist should face
Yes.
us.
Yes, 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 like this. फिर
Okay.
एक फिंगर का अंगूठा और दूसरी
Okay.
फिंगर की उंगली.
Okay.
हाँ, ऐसे. तो this way. Okay, so and try
Okay.
to keep it in a straight line.
Okay.
Then दूसरे फिंगर का अंगूठा पहले फिंगर दिस, फिर बंद करो, फिर खोलो, फिर बंद करो, फिर खोलो, फिर बंद, फिर खोलो, फिर बंद, फिर खोलो. Okay, so try to do this thing. All right, now I'm going to teach you the importance of, जब भी आपको टेंशन होता है, you must learn the word halt. H-A-L-T, halt. Halt means what? H is for hungry, A is for angry, L is for lonely, and T is for tired. The hand exercise is called as, no, these are just finger exercises. They are just finger to activate the brain. Okay, they are just finger. There is no name for it. Okay, so today I'm going to teach you a poster called halt. जब भी आपको जिंदगी में ट्रबल हो, तकलीफ हो, वरी हो, टेंशन हो, आपको अच्छा नहीं लगता है, फीलिंग टायर्ड, फीलिंग स्लगिश, फीलिंग के सूझ नहीं पड़ती हो, you don't understand, just think कि Jyoti ma'am was taught us halt. What is halt? Halt means thami jao, khami jao, wait, halt. Halt means whenever you're going through a process in life, ask yourself, am I too hungry? मैं भूखी हूं, मैंने खाना नहीं खाया है, पानी नहीं पिया है, इसीलिए मैं गुस्से में हूं. Am I too angry? मैं किसी के गुस्से में हूं, मैंने किसी ने मुझे कुछ बोल दिया, तो am I too angry? Then I should try to do something about it. Am I too lonely? कि सुबह से मुझे किसी ने मेरे साथ बात नहीं की, मेरा जन्मदिन भूल गए, कोई मेरा ध्यान नहीं रखता है. So am I too lonely? The Reshma halt is, don't be too hungry, don't be too angry, don't be too lonely, and don't be too tired. So it is hungry, angry, lonely, and tired. Okay? Hungry, angry, lonely, and tired. So halt means do not be too hungry, do not be too angry, do not be too lonely, and do not be too tired. So if any situation comes in life, you should ask yourself, am I hungry? तो फिर जल्दी से जाके उसका कुछ करो, खा लो, पी लो, you will feel better. Am I too angry? मैं किसी के बहुत गुस्से में हूं, किसी ने मुझे कुछ बोल दिया, मैंने, मेरी गलती नहीं थी, ये भी वो भी. Then ring up, talk to the person, take a phone, address somebody, communicate, take it out. I always say the best exercise for the brain is getting that friend. I am happy for people like Get Set Up in, because they are keeping senior citizens occupied, they are keeping them together, they are keeping them happier, and it is a forum for senior citizen by senior citizen. That means all of us are getting to do something. All of us are trying to enlighten and teach what we know best. You can also do that. Okay? Yes, don't be too hungry, angry, lonely and tired. Yes. Yes. So, जब भी आप angry हो तो उसका भी कुछ आप communication करो, किसी friend से बात करो. Talk to a friend. Listen, today I'm very angry. Today this one said that. Today that one said that. कैसे भी करके system से निकाल दो. गुस्सा सिस्टम से निकालो. अगर आप नहीं निकालोगे, if you do not vent your anger, it will get stuck in parts of your body. It will get stuck and it will attack the weakest part of your body. Okay? Thank you, Rekha ji. So, the third thing is, do not be too lonely. अगर आप हमेशा लोनली रहोगे, नेचुरली आप डिप्रेशन में चले जाओगे. नेचुरली कोई नहीं है बात करने को, तो उसका कुछ करिए. टॉक टू अ फ्रेंड, कम्युनिकेट, फॉर्म अ कम्युनिटी, फॉर्म अ ग्रुप, म्यूजिकल इंस्ट्रूमेंट सीख लो, लैंग्वेज सीख लो. एट दिस एज आई एम लर्निंग दफली. Can you imagine वो बड़ा सारा दफली, that दफली वाले दफली बजा. तो I am learning that क्योंकि वो मुझे खुशी दे रहा है.
Teachers
Yes.
also. Teachers
हाँ.
also.
Yes. Thank you. अरे दफली, of course, surely.
हमें भी सिखाइए एक क्लास में.
Surely मेरी दफली इधर ही पड़ी है. मैंने मेरे ग्रैंडसन के लिए भी छोटी सी दफली ऑर्डर करी है, 14 इंच वाली. मेरी 18 इंच की दफली है, उसकी 14 इंच की. हम दोनों बजाते हैं. वो बजाता है we will rock you, वो बजाता है, वो 6 बरस का है. मैं बजाती हूँ सावन का महीना पवन करे शोर. तो you know, we just learn it. हमारा एक मास्टर है, हम सीखते हैं. This is the best time of our day when we are learning दफली. So आपको भी कुछ ऐसे ही करना चाहिए जिससे आपको खुशी मिलती है. So don't be too hungry, don't be too angry, don't be too lonely. कुछ ना कुछ करो. स्टैम्प कलेक्शन, हारमोनिका सीखो. अच्छा आजकल है ना,
What is space?
space is this: how to be positive, how to be active, how to have clarity of mind, how to have energy. So I'm going to teach you these things in the next 4 classes, besides the other things which I'm teaching. I have started with E for energy, which is water. So today, very much information of water I have given, which is the thing which gives you energy. Next class, I will be teaching you C. So I'm doing PACE backwards. I'm doing ECAP. All right? Missed the last class. Oh.
Thank you.
Or what is this? You cannot attend. Okay, sorry. Okay. So
Saying
and then,
something in between, somebody cut you. You were saying something important, I think.
yes. So I'm finishing halt. So do not be too hungry. आप जाके खाना खा लो. पेट खाली रहता है तो मगज को फूड नहीं जाता है. Do not be too angry. गुस्सा हुआ, किसी को भी ढूंढो, और कोई भी नहीं मिला ना, एक पेपर लो, उसमें जोर जोर से स्क्रिबल करो. ऐसे कोई भी एक पेपर लो, कोई भी एक पेन लो, और उसमें मैं बताती हूँ आपको. ओके, ये पेपर पेन लेके जब भी गुस्सा आया, just start scribbling, doodling. पूरा गुस्सा उस पेपर पे निकाल दो. Okay? It doesn't have to mean anything. You don't have to show it. At the end of it, पेपर को फाड़ के फेंक दो. Okay?
Like
Jyoti
Jabri
ma'am, we
met.
have to end this
Jabri
session.
met.
It's 57.
Okay. Last thing is, do not be
Jab
too
we met.
tired. Last thing, do not be, yes, you can punch a pillow. Do not be too tired. जब भी आप tired हो, please take a rest, take your breath and finish it off. All right. So thank you for having me. 3 minutes. कोई question है? It is 2:57. एक कोई भी question हो तो पूछ लो, नहीं तो we end up this session. I will just
मैम
do
मेरा
it.
शुरू का 20 मिनट का
fingers
छूट
वाला
गया था तो
repeat
वाटर का
करो,
थोड़ा
please.
बता दीजिए।
Wonderful
Ma'am,
session,
can you
madam.
please
Wonderful.
show that closing the fist exercise once?
1
The
minute.
last-
Yeah.
Closing the
Okay.
fist.
The fist exercise. Okay. See you turn. I'm just trying to get in front of the camera. Okay. So turn the fist towards you. एक हाथ का अंगूठा, दूसरी हाथ की उंगली. All right. So yeah, thank you so much for all the compliments. This way. फिर बंद करो, दूसरे हाथ का अंगूठा उंगली. बंद. This. Close this. Okay. एक हाथ
Thank
का
you, ma'am. Thank you.
Yes, ये थोड़ा complicated है, लेकिन you've got 1 week to practice, and this one also Incy Wincy Spider. Okay, these are the things which will keep you occupied. It will balance your brain. It will keep you strong, healthy. It will keep you happy. Tell me next week whatever new thing you all have learned. कुछ नया चीज सीखते रहो. Get Set Up is a fantastic platform, guys. Get into all the sessions and increase your knowledge, and then you all can also teach at some time. Thank you so much. God bless all of you. And I will see you next Friday, same time. Date with Jyoti Gandhi. Bye.
Thanks for your encouragement,
God bless
madam.
you.
Thanks for your encouragement.
Yes, welcome. Next time I'll get my duffly and sit. I'll play some duffly for you
Thank
for
you very
2
much,
minutes.
madam. Thank you very much.
Yes. Next.